Welcome to New Car Latest Update. The 2025 Toyota Camper is creating a buzz among adventurers and travel enthusiasts alike. Toyota has taken its reputation for reliability and innovation and brought it to the world of compact camping vehicles, making this camper a unique option for those who love the great outdoors but don't want to compromise on comfort and efficiency. Starting with the exterior, Toyota's 2025 camper features a sleek and modern design that combines functionality with a bit of futuristic flair. The camper has a compact form that allows for easy maneuvering, yet still offers plenty of space for a cozy camping experience. With its streamlined profile, high ground clearance, and durable build, it's ready to handle a range of terrains, from highways to off-road trails. The camper comes equipped with all-wheel drive, which enhances traction and control, especially when navigating rough or slippery terrain. Toyota has prioritized safety with features like stability control, a responsive braking system, and advanced driver assistance technology. There's also the option for adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking, which all make driving safer and less stressful, especially on long trips. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Camper is powered by a fuel-efficient yet powerful hybrid engine. This system combines a gasoline engine with electric power to deliver impressive torque and fuel economy, allowing campers to travel longer distances without frequent stops for refueling. Toyota's hybrid technology is well known for its reliability and efficiency, which means owners can look forward to lower fuel costs and fewer emissions without compromising on performance. One of the highlights of the Toyota Camper is its interior. The layout has been designed to maximize space and comfort. The seats are upholstered in durable, easy-to-clean materials that are both comfortable and resistant to wear. There's room for 2 to 4 people, depending on the chosen configuration, and the seats can be adjusted or even folded flat to make way for a larger sleeping area. LED ambient lighting gives the cabin a cozy feel, and there are plenty of windows to provide natural light and give occupants a connection to the outdoors. Storage space is abundant, with overhead compartments, under-seat storage, and even a pull-out drawer system in the rear cargo area. Toyota has also included convenient charging ports and power outlets throughout the cabin, ensuring that devices stay powered while on the road or off the grid. The kitchen area is compact but functional, with a mini fridge, a 2-burner stove, and a small sink. There's also counter space for meal prep, and the kitchen area can be easily accessed from both the inside and outside of the vehicle, making it convenient for campers who want to cook outdoors. The mini fridge is designed to run efficiently, drawing minimal power and keeping food and drinks cold even on longer trips. One of the most appealing features is the camper's modular design. This means that owners can customize the interior to suit their specific needs. Whether they're planning a solo trip, a couple's getaway, or a family adventure, the Toyota Camper can be adjusted to fit different lifestyles. There's even an option to add extra features like a pop-up roof for additional headroom and ventilation or a rooftop tent to provide extra sleeping space. For entertainment, the camper is equipped with Toyota's latest infotainment system, which includes a touchscreen interface with navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and compatibility with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This system makes it easy to stay connected, access travel information, and even stream music or podcasts while on the go. Additionally, the camper includes a high-quality sound system that enhances the audio experience, whether it's for relaxing music at a campsite or listening to GPS directions. The 2025 Toyota Camper is also equipped with a solar panel system, which can power essential functions and keep the battery charged while off the grid. This feature is perfect for those who plan to spend extended periods outdoors without access to traditional power sources. The solar panels are designed to be lightweight and compact, so they don't add much weight or bulk to the camper but provide enough energy for lights, small appliances, and charging needs. As for pricing, the Toyota Camper is expected to start at a competitive price point, making it an accessible option for many outdoor enthusiasts. While exact prices haven't been announced yet, Toyota is aiming to offer various trim levels and optional packages that allow buyers to choose the features they value most. This flexibility makes it easier for buyers to find a model that fits both their budget and their camping needs. Toyota's move into the camper market is a response to the growing trend of van life and the desire for more affordable, fuel-efficient ways to explore the outdoors. The 2025 Toyota Camper offers the best of both worlds, the trusted reliability of Toyota vehicles with the freedom and versatility of a camper. It's an exciting addition to Toyota's lineup, and it's likely to become a popular choice among those who are looking for a reliable, customizable, and eco-friendly way to travel and enjoy nature. Overall, the 2025 Toyota camper looks like it's set to be a game-changer for the camping and outdoor adventure world. It combines Toyota's high standards for durability and performance with innovative features that cater to the needs of today's adventurers. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time traveler, this camper offers a blend of comfort, convenience, and off-grid capability that will make every journey memorable. Thanks for watching.